create.
I have some beef flanken ribs. I'm going to show you how to cook them and how to plate them so they can look restaurant style.
So what you do is you grab these flanken ribs and you cut them. They're going to have bone, don't worry. Then you're going to marinate them, okay?
Put a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm going to mix it up with the quarter cup of soy sauce and about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it well and leave it outside for about 30 minutes.
Few drops of sesame oil.
Todos los días sueño contigo. Quiero estar a tu lado. Todos los días me siento solo. Quiero estar contigo. Cariño, cariño, cariño. Quiero estar a tu lado. Quiero estar contigo. Cariño, cariño, cariño. Quiero estar a tu lado. Quiero estar contigo.
Get some thyme. Optionally, some honey. Two minutes. One cup of long grain rice, a cup and 1/3 of water, high heat. When it starts simmering, couple drops turmeric, mix it up. Turn the heat to medium. Cover it.
Once the liquid evaporates, you're going to see those little craters. You're going to stir the rice carefully, few stirs, and then you're going to put it back and you're going to let it cook for about 3 more minutes, and then you're going to be done. When you're done after 3 minutes, you're going to turn the heater off and remove the rice.
Pot, water, spinach, medium high. Grab your plantain, cut the edges. You're going to peel it, right? You stab it a little bit here. Do the same here. Peel it. You can cut it in half. Then come here. You can cut it into half, or if you want, you can cut it in third. But this is a skinny one, so I'm going to cut it just in half. Half and half. Medium high, oil, and let it heat up, okay?
Add the plantains and let it cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. If it's not covered completely, then you're going to have to flip them, okay? About 3 minutes later, turn them around or flip them, and then cook the other side for about 3 minutes. So they're going to cook for a total combined of 6 minutes.
Now you're going to fry them for like 30 seconds, okay? Maybe 45.
Todos los días sueño contigo. Quiero estar a tu lado. Todos los días me siento solo. Quiero estar a contigo.